Now I ask you, which pitch and tune is your energy resonating with? We all want to be financially free, but where does that start? How do you get there?
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Penny pinching. Are you really abundant?
360 ooga booga booga!
When you think of a cheap or frugal person, your mind leans to tight ass.
Why you bullying me?
Someone who is always pinching every penny or holding on too tight to their dollars. This person is not abundant. For the mere fact that you believe in a piece of paper is hurting your spiritual wealth. This money, currency, food on the table is nothing more than energy. And energy is something that moves in accordance to that one big part of you that knows. It's in the background and is the real play that's happening in your life. Your world is predicated by this mysterious energy and is your guiding light in the dark. Subconscious mind. So when we start to understand that your spirit, subconscious mind, is responsible for the things you believe in consciously, then we will begin to know that you're holding on to your dollars. Penny pinching is what's keeping you broke. When we start to understand that spending and doing things that signifies to your subconscious mind as successful and prosperous, then our subconscious will give us more, and more. Why? Because we're in alignment with the money comes to me energy. The balling out of control frequencies. The I am a successful, prosperous millionaire power. When you place yourself in a scarcity, lack of funds mindset, well, your subconscious is going to respond to you in that manner. Not able to get more because you're communicating with your subconscious mind. I don't want more. I want what I have right now.
Message!
This money, this energy is made to be used. And as we all know, you use energy and it will come back to you tenfold. Now listen, family. This part is important. There's a difference between holding on to your money and not wanting things because it doesn't fit the trajectory of your being. Look at these two J's for an example. Let's look at J. Cole. J. Cole's vibration is that I'm good, I'm modest, and I don't have to have shiny things to represent how big my pockets are. Ooh. Now let's look at Jay-Z. Jay is painting a picture of his life through his music and lifestyle that says, I want y'all niggas to know I'm balling, and I want you to know I'm spending more money on fancy luxury things. Ooh. Law of polarity. Like and alike are the same. Neither vibrational being is bad or good, right or wrong. It just is what it is. Now I ask you, which pitch and tune is your energy resonating with? We all want to be financially free, but where does that start? How do you get there? It all starts in the mind and your ability to free your mind to an abundant lifestyle. I'm not shopping at Foodorama because the food is cheaper. You're not going to catch me going across the street for some gas because the gas price is 13 cents lower. What I look like holding on to my $4, not donating it, even though I know Dream and D-Ray bring me light. Patreon.com/LoveLiveLife. It's time for some of us to step outside of your comfort zone. Challenge your mind and your vibration. In order to do wealthy things, your mind must take you there in accordance to your self-talk. This is Conscious Mind Games 101, and this is how you move from financial imprisonment of the mind to financially free. Through your God-realized chaos being power. Dream wise.